WindLab sells a range of development opportunities, if you like, wind farm development opportunities, and these range from very conceptual sorts of studies that essentially can exist on a desktop, all the way through to much more mature opportunities, or wind farm developments, if you like, that have arrangements with the landholders taken care of, and also a number of the wind resource questions taken out of the picture, if you like. So the wind resource measurements are made, and so the range of opportunities there is quite broad. We use our own software products in combination with our industry know-how to find and secure wind farm sites. Our competitors are predominantly other wind farm developers. The vast majority of our competitors have very little experience with wind mapping and therefore must rely on local knowledge or purchase wind maps from our competitors. The former method really works quite well at a small scale. When you scale it up to a multinational organization, it's very inefficient, and those are really the people that we compete with. By focusing our resources on wind prospecting and the securement of development opportunities and rights, we're able to compete quite effectively with much larger organizations that don't have the same in-house capabilities. The IP embedded in the wind mapping technology is well respected in the industry, but we also have world-leading technology in modeling turbulent flows in steep terrain and forested terrain. This ability to find and secure high-value wind farm sites, along with our wind resource expertise, makes these sites quite attractive to financial partners who want to eventually own and operate wind farms. The partner benefits from reduced risk and large development margins at financial close, while we benefit from royalty payments and milestone payments as the development progresses. Since leaving CSIRO, we've been pursuing the wind development partnership model. We currently have a joint venture with Investec Bank that's operating in Australia, New Zealand, and South Africa. We expect several wind farms to be developed from that partnership. In the past year, we've been doing greenfield development in Canada and the US. All of these sites have been found by our wind engineers here in Canberra, and then subsequently secured by our wind development team in North America. Currently, we have a portfolio of 20 sites. We have an ambitious few years in our business plan. Over the next 1 to 3 years, we expect to continue developing projects in North America. We'll also need further investment in the company to keep control of those projects. We're currently looking at opportunities in emerging markets in South America and India to diversify our portfolio somewhat. Clearly, there's a cultural challenge there, but to meet that challenge, we anticipate partnering with local partners to minimize the risk somewhat. Ultimately, we expect to list WindLab as we build it into a successful multinational wind developer.